Infiniti announced that it will offer new electrified vehicles starting in 2021. Nissan CEO Hiroto Saikawa said that its luxury brand will build its first all-electric car in 2021, as well as new e-Power vehicles, series hybrids with batteries charged by gasoline generators. Nissan has introduced e-Power vehicles in other markets, including the Note e-Power and the Serena e-Power minivan. Now it will extend that technology to Infiniti, providing a similar driving experience to an EV with the convenience of a gas-powered vehicle. Infiniti also said that we can expect beautiful vehicles like the Q Inspiration concept that debuted at the 2018 Detroit Auto Show. Infiniti doesn't plan on producing Q Inspiration, but it will certainly influence future vehicles in terms of both styling and technology. The Q Inspiration uses variable compression technology, which the company intends to use to improve efficiency and performance of its gasoline-powered cars. Infiniti expects half of its global sales to be electric vehicles by 2025. It's not clear whether the automaker is lumping series hybrids into the electric vehicle category. And while there's no way that Infiniti will release a production version of its all-electric prototype 9EV, seen above, we'll hold on to that dream anyway.